So, welcome back. We are sailing through the next fjord, which is Doubtful Sound, and lots of people have come out this time because the sun is out. It's a little warmer, but it's still quite windy. As you can see, the pool deck is below me, and over the other side is the hills of Doubtful Sound. So we're going to be sailing all the way through Doubtful Sound and come out the other end. So I thought I would give you a quick look. I not drop my phone because it's very windy. So there's lots of people out enjoying this beautiful scenery on the Celebrity Edge, and see you in the next one.